We love a new toy here at Transport HQ. We love a bit of tech, and these should be in stock hopefully by the time the video comes out. So this is the new Scanstrut ATMOS. So anybody that knows much about Scanstrut will know they're originally kind of from the boat industry, but that stuff lends itself really well over to the camper environment. And this does exactly that. So this little beauty is a 12-volt inflation device. So really nice compact unit that can be put in several different places. We're going to mount one in the back of this crafter and show you how. But it has everything you need to inflate your devices. So whether like me, so little background story, I went to Lake Garda this year, inflating the kids' kayaks and stand-up paddle boards, and you know them kind of manual pumps that you have. You never really know how much pressure you've got in there. That little dial in there never gives you a true reading. Panicking and worried I'm going to blow the thing up or underinflate it when the kids are off on the lake. Well, this does all that for you. So comes with all the pipe work and everything you need. Really neat and compact. Inflate and deflate, so you can draw the air out when you've got to pack it away. Really nice and neat. Obviously there's no power there now, but you can set what pressure you need on this up to 20 psi and set it to go. And then when you're finished, plug it back in, deflate it, nice and small, and you can pack it away again. So I'm going to hand you over to Mitch now, and Mitch is going to get it installed. So there we go, that's simple to install. Looks really nice and neat. You can see this blends in really well, but takes up hardly any space in the unit here and just sits nice and tidy. So as I showed you before, there's your inflate and deflate. Really obvious, simple to use controls. Turn it on, set your PSI, press play, and away you go. And once you're finished, turn it off, and then you've got this nice neat cover just to protect your digital display when you're in transit. There you go, job done.